Did you eat good? Can you guys dance? Yeah. Yeah. Do you guys love Sarah? I wanted to show how you guys like to dance and eat to Sarah. Raise the roof. Sarah's on. I know. Does it get any better? Good food and Sarah McLachlan. It really is not possible to be any better than that. You guys are good at dancing. Okay, I love you. Can you blow me a kiss, Adia? I love you. Can you wink? Good girl. Adric, can you just smile? Because that's what you're best at. I love you. Okay, I'll let you go so you guys can enjoy Sarah. I don't want to interrupt your moment with her. It's important that you have that growing up.